Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Arlo Essential XL Outdoor, a wireless outdoor home security camera packed with features.
Let's see if it's worth the hype.
At first glance, the Arlo Essential XL Outdoor looks like your typical security camera, but don't be fooled, there's more to it than meets the eye. With its sleek design and rugged build, this camera is ready to withstand the elements and keep your home safe.
Let's talk about what sets this camera apart. First off, the battery life is impressive, boasting over a year on a single charge.
That means fewer trips up the ladder to swap out batteries, which is a huge plus in my book.
But what really caught my eye are the features.
From color night vision to a built-in spotlight and siren, the Arlo Essential XL Outdoor has you covered, day or night.
Plus, with intelligent motion alerts, you'll always know what's happening around your home.
And installation?
Piece of cake. Just follow the simple steps in the Arlo Secure app, and you'll have your camera up and running in no time. Plus, with its wireless design, you can place it anywhere around your home without worrying about pesky wires. Now, let's talk about the app.
With the Arlo Secure app, you can easily access live streams, view recorded footage, and customize settings to fit your needs. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and gives you peace of mind knowing you can keep an eye on your home, even when you're away. So, is the Arlo Essential XL Outdoor worth it?
Absolutely.
With its impressive battery life, robust features, and easy installation,
it's a top choice for anyone looking to beef up their home security. And hey, who doesn't love a little extra peace of mind?
That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.